You can just reach around here again if you want to remove it that easily. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Chicco KeyFit car seat base using a lap shoulder seat belt. That's the installation method we're going to cover in this video. If you're interested in this product or the carrier, the links to them will be in my video description below. So please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. You can see how it comes packaged to you in a really nice and simple retail box, walking us through a lot of the product features. Now let's go ahead, before we get this installed, let's look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have some registry information and a stop, do not return this product to the store. So we have all of their customer service information if you ever have any questions or need to do any sort of return. Then we have your car seat user guide and manual right here, walking you through every setup and installation process with this base and very important safety procedures. So be sure to read this manual before installing this base. Even after watching this video, please consult with the manual first, study this over, and then install your base. So refer to your user guide before getting this base installed. Next, you can see we have the base itself right here. So we have two built-in levels. Everything's clearly marked for us. Lots of stickers as well, showing us what we can do and what needs to be done. You can see on the front too, we actually have a storage compartment right here. So if we can open that up, we can actually store this user manual in there. So I highly recommend doing that after you set this up, so you can always reference this when you need to. So it's great to have some built-in storage right there. Then we have two orange levers on the side, so we can release these, and that actually activates the base on the bottom right here. So now we can adjust the level depending on the car seat that we have that this base is going to be mounted to. So we can just press that back in to lower it back down to get the custom setting for our needs, to make sure that the bubble is in between the two black arrows for the level right there. You can see how they have the belt strap stored right here too. So if we have any extra strap, make sure to store it right there. Our carrier is just going to clip right in here. And again, they show you lap belt, lap shoulder belt, and latch installation methods and how to do that with proper diagrams. We can flip it over to look at the back side of the base too, so you can see how this comes out when we push those two orange buttons. And then maybe on the side, we can see where the latches are stored. So you can just take them out very easily like that. And they have a button just like a normal seatbelt. So we have great latch built-in storage. Nice handle right there on both sides. We can see the other latch as well too. So we can take that one out. It just clips right into your car. It'll be clearly marked for you if your car has the latch system. Now let's go ahead. Let's go over the user manual before we get this installed. So here's the user manual showing you how to install and set up the base. Feel free to pause the video at any time to review this document in more details, but refer to your user guide and manual before you attempt to begin setup. Also take note that somebody in your community, maybe the local firehouse, police station, community center, something along those lines, should offer some services to check your car seat and your car seat base for you to make sure that it's safe to operate your vehicle. So reach out to those local community resources nearby to help you out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or consult with your user manual and reach out to them directly for any help. So you can see we have some steps right here. We can go to the next page. That's for using the latch. We're going to install it using the shoulder belt. So you can see we got the lap shoulder belt right here. So we have your steps, images, diagrams showing you how to route the belt through and the path it should take. Then we have the next page right here showing us again how to get everything installed and how to feed it through and then pull it back up. Then you can see we have more steps right here. Be sure to follow everything in detail. Double check, triple check your work. So you can see what we need to do to feed it through the orange piece of plastic, pulling it back as close to the seat as we can get the belt. And there we go. Now let's go ahead and let's get it installed. So the first thing you need to do is make sure the car seat's level in your car. You can use these two orange buttons again to raise up the base to make it level. Make sure the bubble's in between the two arrows on the indicator on both sides. Now we're ready to wrap and feed the seat belt through. So pay attention to how we do this. We pull out some extra slack right here. We bring it through this side. So we have it through right now. And then we buckle it in the other side. So we position it down, buckle it in. Now that we have it buckled in, we need to make sure that everything is tight. So go ahead, you're gonna apply a lot of pressure right here on the side, and then you're gonna pull this tight for the base. So I'm actually gonna go ahead, I'm gonna kneel on this just to make it even easier for me. So I'm gonna kneel on the base to make sure we have a lot of downward pressure. We're gonna pull all the extra slack out right here. So keep pulling it. So you just pull up on the seat belt, and then once you have it pulled up, keep it tight. We need to feed it back through the lock right there, all the way back to the seat as far back as we can get. Now we can take our pressure off, and you can see we actually have everything installed now, and it's not going to wiggle at all. You want to make sure that the base, when you pull it on both sides, doesn't move forward or slide side to side more than 1 inch, and you can see we have it secured properly right now. Make sure this is folded in two if you notice that that strap has come loose. And now you can also lock the seat belt up here if you want to take that out as well. Just pull it out until you trigger it, and now we can feed it back in, and that has locked in place as well. So now this won't pull out anymore in case a kid or somebody else comes nearby. It's locked in place. So everything's ready to go, and you're all set up to install your carrier. So the carrier only installs one way when you're transporting your child. You can see it clicks right in. Now you can check it to make sure that it's not gonna go anywhere. And then you can just reach around here again if you want to remove it that easily. And then always check the base every time before use. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you guys. Don't forget, please consult and read and study your user manual before you begin to attempt any installation. And don't forget to store it right here in the car seat base so you always have it for easy access in the future if you ever have any questions. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.